and today we are going to do some fish fry. So this is what it looks like, guys. I have some snappers and some goldfish all prepped. I wash it with lime and vinegar. You got to wash your fish with lime, guys, or lemon, or vinegar, just to cut away all that rawness. You don't want to be smelling all that rawness. So let's go to the kitchen and get this fish fry up. Get some paper towel and dry your fish. Just like this. Dry inside and out. You can lay it over here. We're going to continue doing this until we get all the fish all dried up. You don't want that excess water in it. I have this big snapper right here. So now that my fish is all dried and looking so pretty, I'm going to go ahead and make some gores on the side of my fish. You want to do that because it will help to accommodate the seasoning and penetrate the fish. So you see, guys, this is what I did right there. So you're going to go ahead and put all your seasoning right in here, because you want that fish to be seasoned right to the bone. And we're also going to put the seasoning inside here. This is a small one, so I'm just going to cut it one time, just like that. So guys, this is optional. You don't have to do that if you prefer to do it another way, but if you do it like this, you're gonna get the seasoning to penetrate the fish a little better. So this is a very big fish here. My pot is not that big, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one in half, just like this. So this is one piece and this is the other. So now it's time to get our seasoning together. I have black pepper here. About a tablespoon. Some onion powder, teaspoon. Some garlic powder, teaspoon. I have the all-purpose seasoning here, tablespoon and a half. And some salt, about a teaspoon and a half. Remember, guys, the all-purpose has some salt to it. And you're just going to go ahead and mix it around. So now I'm going to go ahead and season my fish. So what you want to do is take your fish, just like that. Put your seasoning in the gores. Just like that. We're also going to put some inside, in the head, and everywhere, just like that. You're going to rub a little bit on the outside. So you see how this one is looking. Now we're going to take another one. Do the same thing. Put your seasoning in the gores, inside the stomach area, in the head, and just rub it over your fish like that. So you're going to do the same until all your fish is seasoning. So my fish is all covered with seasoning, and I have a small amount left back in my bowl. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and just sprinkle all over my fish, just like that. We're going to leave this to marinate for at least an hour or two. The longer, the better, so that it can soak up all that seasoning. So my pot is heated and my oil is going in. Your pot should be really hot, guys, very. And now my fish is all marinated and ready for frying. So I'm just gonna remove this wrap. Start the frying process. So my pot is on, my oil is all heated, and I'm going to season up my oil a little bit with just a piece of scallion, and you can just wring it to release some flavors and just drop it in just like that. I'm also going to put a piece of garlic. So you want to just dip the garlic. So I'm just going to put a little piece of garlic in it. Ready for my fish. So this is my first one. So your flame should be on medium, guys. So carefully, very carefully. And we're gonna put them head and tail. Just like that. Head and tail. Now I'm gonna take my fork and position them. You see how easy this can lift this and move around. Very important to let the oil get hot, really hot. I'll say about 3 minutes on each side or until brown. So I have this little gadget here that I'm going to lay over my pot to prevent the oil from splashing all over. So you just put it over like this. So I'm going to go ahead and check my fish. I think this snapper is ready. So this one is ready to turn. As you can see how nice and golden brown that is. Also, these are ready. So you just take your fork, guys, and turn over. So use 2 forks. So you gotta position them so everyone can fit properly. So you can just take a fork and kind of press it down slightly. I'm just going to put the cover on. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my first batch of fish. So what you want to do, just take a fork and kind of poke it in the eye area and just lift it like this. We're going to set it over here on the plate. So let's get the other one. So like I said, take your fork, poke it in the eye, and lift it. Just like that. Lay it over here. So now I'm gonna put my second batch in the pot. So this is my goldfish, straight from the Caribbean. You're just gonna lay it in your pot. So let's go ahead and take out my snapper. Looking so nice and brown. This is what it looks like, guys. Lay it on your plate over here. So now this is another goldfish, head and tail. We're gonna polish them. Pick up my snapper. We're gonna continue doing that until all finished. So we're gonna press. start to turn this one over. And let's now just turn the snapper. So guys, there you have it. Fried fish, all done. This is what it looks like, guys. Look how pretty that is. And this is a mixture of goatfish and snapper fish. You can dress it up. You can make a sauce for it with vinegar, onion, hot pepper, and all that. But I'm not gonna go there today because I like to eat my fish just plain like this. Now what I'm gonna do is dress it up a little with some onion. So what you wanna do is just take a knife and cut your onion like this. Just kind of open it. And this is just for decoration purpose, like garnish, and just open, just lay them over there. You see how pretty that is. Simple dish, fried fish, right here on the top of this stove. This is optional, guys. You don't have to do that. Like I said, this is just for presentation. Isn't that gorgeous? Check this out. Fried fish. See how pretty that is? Those of you that already subscribed, thanks a lot. Come back for more videos and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. You can also share, like, comment.